My name is Josh Wignall. I'm the Director of Marketing here at EFCO. And today we get the pleasure to walk around with Brian Cox, Plant Manager of our Logistics team, to check out the new annex. This is expected to go partially operational June 27th and to be fully operational the month of July. This $15.8 million investment will give us a lot of different capabilities. With over 150,000 square feet, which is 3.2 acres, or 3 football fields, and will allow us to have 18 new shipping docks. So come with us today and check out this new exciting investment.
How we connect the annex to the main facility is through a connector tunnel. This connector tunnel will serve as a highway for our windows and Lineal to go from our main plant to the annex. Lineal product will travel from the support plant and expect to see around 10 to 15,000 sticks per week travel through this area. Lineal goes to the left to the racks. Windows travel from the end of the production line and via bull racks get taken through the connector to the annex. Roughly 2,000 to 3,000 units per week will travel from the end of the line to be packaged, then stored in our pack out area. Windows go to the right to be palletized. This is our pack out area. Windows will now be palletized as opposed to being loose loaded as we did before. We do this because we can load the trailer faster internally, and it also helps customers with unloading windows on the job site. We will have 4 pack out stations for palletizing. Windows then go to a handoff area, and specialized equipment will be used to place pallets into the racks. In these areas, we'll also have UPS shipping stations for windows and paint samples. We will also accommodate brake metal pack out, and it will have more racking to free up space in the support plant. We are now in our handoff area. Pack product will be taken to the barcoded locations in the racks. We modified an existing system for scanning pallets and assigning locations to make them easier to find. Terra trucks, which is a small side loader, will take product to the assigned location and can take pallets up 20 feet high. The rider is elevated with the forks and the product, which is actually safer for precise placement and retrieval of products. After the handoff area, the product now goes to our racking system. Racking replaces our rolling warehouse of over 300 trailers. This will hold our windows, fabricated curtain wall, and accessories, which include subframes, screens, and pannings. There are 2,273 rack locations. This gives us a capacity of 18,000 windows, averaging 8 windows per pallet in our racking system. It features a guidance system which automatically steers equipment to the rack location and prevents collision with the racks. When the product is ready to ship, it will move to the pre-staging area. This is something we've not been able to do in the past. As a product is requested, it comes back to the handoff area for pre-staging. There will be 6 staging zones at the docks. A trailer can be docked and live loaded in a half an hour. This gives us better pricing from carriers as well as more options with carriers. A flatbed trailer can be brought inside to the cut-in docks and loaded utilizing some of the cranes above. This has been done downtown at our facility there where weather can be a challenge because it's all done outdoors. We will be able to sort and load curtain wall by elevation, which is also something we've not been able to do in the past. Accessories will be staged with the product for loading as well. As mentioned before, Lineal comes through the connector to the left. It gets stored into racks and ready for pack out. After Lineal pack out, there are 4 cut-in docks. In this area, we will have space to stage loads 2 deep and 6 high, which is about 10,000 sticks of master bundles that are ready for shipping. They will also now have the ability to consolidate jobs and load as one in a short amount of time, or what we call live loading. Beyond the new capabilities that the annex gives us with pack out, racking, and shipping options, it also gives us many other features. This includes the small parts warehouse. This will be moving from our downtown plant and be going vertical using our new system. towers with conveyors of trays that can hold thousands of part variations. The screen will show operators the part number and quantity to pull to help eliminate errors. We also have some specialized equipment. Tuggers can move 3 carts of material with 1 operator. We will have 3 tuggers to move materials instead of 6 pallet jacks manually pulled now. There'll be different types of standing forklifts to use in narrow aisleways, and a side loader for the Lineal area. We also have new offices, break rooms, and a driver's lounge. Offices include areas for our floor supervisors, logistics department, and dispatch. The new driver's lounge will have a check-in area for drivers where they can get paperwork and relax while the truck gets loaded. There are some new break rooms, which includes a tornado shelter, as well as bathrooms and refrigerators for vending. And there'll also be a training room.
We're glad that you could join us today to check out this exciting new opportunity. And thank you to Brian Cox for showing us around today, and to Apogee for making such a huge investment, not only in our community, but also to EFCO to grow into the future.